Hey guys, it's Saria. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what I got for Christmas. Most of these are gifts from my husband with the exception of this sweatshirt that I'm wearing right now, which was from my sister. But in my family we don't really do like individual gifts. We do like Secret Santa where everyone gets like one person in the family. So yeah, I'm just gonna dive in. If you guys are interested in what my girls got, I actually did a whole video of that before Christmas, and I will have that linked below in the description box if you are interested. So the first gift that I got is very small, but it was just very cute that my husband even thought to get it for me, and it is this little like phone holder. So your phone can go in here, and then it's like a little tripod, and then these like bend into any direction so you can like wrap it around something and take a selfie or whatever it may be. I thought that this was so cute. It was like from that store Five Below, and I honestly almost got it for myself when I saw it, but I'm glad I didn't because he got it for me. But I thought that this was cute, and whenever I do little videos like shopping in Dollar Tree and stuff, this is gonna make it a little bit easier because holding your phone like this is just so like odd, but holding it like this for some reason just feels so much easier. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but I appreciate this and I like it. So the next gift that my husband got me is this pack of little travel bags, and it's up! Oh my gosh! It's actually more kind of Russell, I guess, because it's all like Wilderness Explorer. So the first bag, let me take this out. The first bag is like this clear bag, and it says Wilderness Explorer Adventure is out there on the bottom, and it has like a yellow zipper with the brown, kind of like his uniform, and then on the inside it does have the little Wilderness Explorer logo all over it. So freaking cute and great for toiletries because we are taking a trip to Disney this summer. So glad to have that. And then it did come with two smaller bags. Erica got me a similar thing like this with the Little Mermaid, but these are different sizes, so that's kind of cool. The second one is probably my favorite one. It is like all his little badges are on here, and it says Wilderness Explorer again on the bottom, and then inside same thing, it's like that logo, the WE Wilderness Explorer logo, but I love the little badges on here. That is probably my favorite part. And then on the back it just says Disney Pixar Loungefly, and then the last bag is this little tiny one, and it says again Wilderness Explorer, and it does have that little WE logo and then the same pattern on the inside. I thought that this is great for traveling, and then on top of that, like not just like my everyday makeup, but like the makeup that I don't use as often, or you know, travel shampoo bottles, things like that. And then this is great for like cards that we might need or things like that. I don't know. I thought that that was such a cute gift, and he knows how much I like oh my god, I almost forgot to show you guys like the best part of this. So on the big bag, the zipper is the little house with the balloons. I just about died when I saw the zipper. Like literally I was like in awe, and then I looked at my husband and I was like, oh my god, did you see the zipper? He was like, yeah. I was like, so thank you to my husband. I don't know why I'm saying thank you already. Almost all these gifts are from him, so thank you, my husband. Okay, sorry if the camera shifted a little bit. I had to, you know, hit him on baby. Okay, so the next gift, my husband actually got me two pairs of shoes from Hot Topic, and the first pair are these kind of like Converse style Ariel shoes. I freaking love these. I've already worn them like every day since Christmas. Literally I'm looking at the bottom and I'm like, yeah, that's pretty obvious. But we've gone on walks and stuff, so they're kind of gross on the bottom. But they're so cute. They're white and cream, and then they just have this really gorgeous art of Ariel on them. I love this style, and they come out with other things with her on them like this, like even like a bedspread I've seen, and like a coffee mug. But she just looks so beautiful, like so stunningly goddess-like, and I'm living for it. I'm a little bit sad because I have totally already scuffed them and gotten like a hot chocolate stain on them. This is why I don't buy white shoes, but I do love them, and I'm so glad he got them for me. And then the other pair I actually am going to have to return because they do not fit. I have a very wide foot, and it's very hard for me to find like boots that fit really well, so he did get me a pair of combat boots, and oh my god, they're so cute. I'm so upset that they don't fit, so he I'm gonna return them, and he already picked out like a backup gift to get me, so I'm just gonna insert a picture of the backup gift in a moment. So the other pair of shoes is this black combat boot, and it has the genie's lamp on it, and that's not even the best part. They are fold-over boots, and they have this like gorgeous purple fabric on the inside with like the tiger. It's a tiger, right? The like Cave of Wonders. And then the lamp and like swirls, and they're like fold-over boots so that you could fold them over and see the fabric, or you can wear them like this and see the lamp. These are so freaking cute, and I could totally pass wearing these at work. I love combat boot style. I already have a pair, but like obviously they're not Disney, so they're not as good. Okay. So unfortunately these are like, they're too long, so I like trip, but they're also too narrow. So I can't go down a size and I can't go up a size. Basically, they just don't fit my foot. So I was very, very sad that these didn't fit, but I so appreciated my husband finding them because these are so me. So me, so me, so me. He is exchanging them, or he's returning these, and then he picked out another gift for me on box lunch. And it is this Sailor Moon watch. In case you guys haven't figured it out, I really like Sailor Moon, and I have wanted this watch for forever. And I don't even know if I ever told him that, but he found it and was like, I already know what I'm swapping the boots out for. And then he showed me a picture and I was like, yes! So the watch is the style of her communicator on the cartoon. It literally looks exactly like that. And they had like these wrist communicators like before Apple Watches. Sailor Moon knew it was coming. And it's like, I don't know, it's like the style of her compact in the center, and it's pink, and just, I want it. So on the bright side, even though these didn't fit, I am getting another gift that I really, really like, so it'll be okay. Okay, the next gift is something kind of small, but it was from the store Five Below, and it's so cute. It is a Toy Story shirt, and it says, "The toys are back in town, the toys are back in town." So it's obviously a play on words with the song, "The Boys Are Back in Town," and it's got like the Toy Story 4, it's got like the Toy Story 4 characters on it, and it has Duke Kaboom, which, yes. And Forky and Rex and Buzz and Woody, Ham, and then Bunny and Ducky. This shirt is so cute. It actually does fit pretty good, and I really like it. Just need some Toy Story ears now. Okay, so this next gift, if you saw this, you would think of me, for sure. Because if you know I love Up, then when you saw this, you would be like, Saria. So it is this Up fanny pack. I will tell you guys, I was like, oh, will I wear a fanny pack? But it actually does look pretty cute on. Maybe I'll insert a clip of me wearing it because I was pretty surprised that I actually did like how it looked. My husband kind of took a leap of faith, so. But the inside is what got me. It is like the balloons, and it's so pretty. And it's the mailbox. The mailbox is just that, like, obviously Up has a lot of like symbolic moments like the house and the balloons, and but the mailbox is just, it like gets my heart every time. What? Did you find your drums? But you don't like that you found your drums? What is it? You me in a video? You like my ears? Yeah. You do? But you can't touch them. So yeah, the mailbox just gets my heart like every freaking time if it's on any merch, because it's just so sweet. And Carl and Ellie are my favorite Disney couple. Yes, they are. We have a friend joining us. So it's the mailbox on the front, and it even has like the little flag from the mailbox, and then it has their handprints, and it says Carl and Ellie. And I do have a purple shirt, and my husband has a matching blue one. Yes. That has the little Up house, and like the balloons are shaped in a big heart, and then on the back it has their handprints, and it says Carl and Ellie. It was like a Valentine's Day special at Box Lunch, those two matching shirts. So it's gonna look super freaking cute with this. I kind of was like not sure if I could pull off the fanny pack, so I was pleasantly surprised, and I don't know, it's very me. It's very, anything Up is like Saria, right? Is it mama? Is it mama? All right, and the last gifts that I got other than like some little things in my stocking, were the chairs that my husband got for me. So if you guys saw, I did do a video on this already, but he did reupholster a chair, a computer chair with Mickey fabric for my craft room. And then he got me a second chair and I was able to pick out the fabric, so I did choose a Ravenclaw fabric and I reupholstered it. I did a tutorial on this. So if you're interested in updating your own computer chair, I do have a tutorial on that I will have linked below, and that was just such a nice surprise to get. It's probably my favorite thing that I got because now I have a chair, like not just one, I have 2 real chairs to sit in when I'm crafting. Are you eating my hair? Oh. Anyway, so that's what I got for Christmas, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed your holiday. I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas on my channel. By the way, the ears I'm wearing I did do a tutorial on during Vlogmas, so if you're interested in knowing how I made these, I will have that linked below as well. I hope you guys enjoyed what I got for Christmas as much as I did. And leave me a comment below for what your favorite gift that you got was, or maybe your favorite gift that you gave, because I know that a lot of people really enjoy giving gifts. Like me and my husband, that's probably our favorite part, is watching each other open each other's gifts. Each other open each other's gifts. Sure. Anyway, we're getting a little fussy, so we're gonna go. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.